moving in silence, why you should keep your life private while you glow up. There's a sacred power in silence, in doing the work without the need for validation, without the need for applause or approval. In a world that's addicted to oversharing, if you choose privacy, you're choosing your revolution. Moving in silence isn't about being secretive. No. It's about being selective with your energy. Yes. So, in this video, I'm going to share 7 powerful reasons why keeping your life private is the ultimate glow-up strategy. Whether you're healing, building, or just reclaiming your space and your peace, this is your reminder. Not everybody deserves access to the most sacred parts of your journey. Let's get into it. Reason number 1, protection from energy thieves. The moment you share your plans, your peace is up for negotiation. Some people don't wish you well, not because they hate you, but because they hate themselves. When I understood that, everything changed. When you move in silence, you protect your dreams from being spoken. You protect your dreams from being doubted or drained before they can even grow. Not everyone is spiritually safe to know your next move. Some just ask to plant doubt, others listen just to compete. You know that silent competition? We're going to be talking about silent competition in the next up and coming videos. Let your silence be the filter. Energy is currency, so be selective with who you spend it on. Ooh, that's a word. Reason number 2, nobody can ruin what they don't know. The less people know, the less they can interfere, whether that's energetically, emotionally, or physically. When you keep your goals private, you give them space to evolve freely without any resistance. This doesn't mean that you're hiding it out of fear. It means you're honoring that sacred process. You don't need to announce your progress for it to be real. Let them see the results, not the blueprint. Reason number 3, peace loves privacy. Peace grows best in silence. When you start sharing less, when you stop inviting unnecessary opinions, comparisons, distractions, everything changes. Some people only engage with your journey to control it, to judge it, or to rail it. Moving in silence brings clarity. You think better. You heal deeper. You start doing things because it feels right, not because it looks right. Privacy isn't secrecy, it's self-respect. Reason number 4, silence builds discipline. You're forced to keep showing up for yourself when no one is watching. No likes, no comments, no claps, just you versus you. Me versus me. That builds power. That builds focus. When you move in silence, you train your nervous system to stay grounded, regardless of external validation. And that's when real results begin. Reason number 5, jealousy is real and often silent. Let's be honest, not everyone's clapping for you are actually clapping for you. Not everyone that is clapping for you is actually clapping for you. Sometimes the people closest to you are silently competing. Moving in silence protects you from projecting your glow up onto environments or people full of envy. You can love people and still keep your plans away from their projections. Don't invite evil eyes to your breakthrough party. Reason number 6, you become magnetic when you're mysterious. The less people know, the more they watch. You don't need to prove, perform, or post every step. That mystery becomes magnetic. You start to attract differently. You start to attract better. Not because you're loud, but because you're undeniable. Glow in private, shine in silence. Let them feel your shift without understanding it. Reason number 7, your transformation deserves protection. Healing is fragile. Transformation is sacred. The early stages of change are vulnerable, and exposing them too soon can delay or destroy your momentum. You owe it to yourself to protect your progress. Keep your goals warm, not exposed. Talk to God, not Instagram. Let the world catch up to your results later. For now, protect the seed. Choose you quietly. Your glow up doesn't need to be loud to be powerful. The strongest shifts happen in silence. The real flex is inner peace, not public proof. As you heal, grow, and become unreachable to chaos, you'll notice the power of privacy. Not everyone deserves access. Not everyone gets to witness this chapter. Move in silence, choose yourself, and let them wonder what changed. Because the truth is, you did. And you owe no one an explanation to your change or to your healing. Subscribe if this video protected your peace, and comment "I choose silence" if you're in your quiet glow up era. Thank you for watching this video, and speak soon. Bye.